What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys I will show you how to fix Steam not opening on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press Ctrl Shift and Escape and open Task Manager and move here to Process, find Steam like me and go here and Task. After you do that, just open Steam again, go right click, run as administrator and you are in Steam. If you still need help, just do like me. Press Windows button R and type like me Steam flash config and go here OK, and that will clear Steam cache. Press one more time Windows button R and type this command like me and go OK, repair Steam service and wait for this. If you need still help, just watch more, press Windows button and open settings, move here on apps, find Steam, click on it and uninstall Steam. After you reinstall Steam and download it again, just open Steam now, right click, run as administrator, go OK, and we are in Steam back. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix Steam not opening on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.